Hey, did you know? Starbucks uses round tables to make solo coffee drinkers feel less lonely. That is why I went to get some coffee. Now I am lonely and broke. Thinking of broke, there is a company which is antonymous to broke, Amazon. Therefore, I made Amazon in 2 days.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
E-commerce websites used to buy and sell. That is why e-commerce. You know what the difficult part is? It is creating the structure. You figure out one thing, celebrate. Figure out another thing, realize it's all wrong, kill yourself, try again. My website contains two segments, users and products. Users would contain the register and login forms, the login method, and the user data models. I planned to include addresses and a bunch of the other info, but that would increase the already complex structure, so I skipped. After coding the users, I started making the product page where all the products would be listed. I made a product search bar too. That done, I made the single product view that would open when a user clicks on a particular product. This is when I decided to test the project. And. Took me 1 hour to figure out I had misspelled some variables and then
বলছি যে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মাসিকে এই হাঁসের ছবিটা পাঠাবো কি করে?
আরে একটু কাজ করছি।
সারাদিন তো ল্যাপটপ নিয়ে পড়ে আছিস, পড়াশোনাটা কি হচ্ছে? ঘরটা বসাবি কখন?
I decided to make the page where the customers would be able to see their orders and a page where sellers would be able to see their listed products. And lastly, a cart. I put in some jQuery to save the product ID to a cookie. As the user clicked on the Add to Cart button, I'd set a click event and update the cart, which I made in the local storage. And that's it. Hey, did you like it?
मजा आया
Do you want more?
नहीं
Bye.
君の虜になってしまう